Hello, I'm Executive Chef Amadeo Velati for the Lake Louise Ski Resort, and welcome to the 4th edition of Cooking in the Alpine. And happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there. I'm a father and I'm sure there's many more, so this segment is dedicated to fathers. Today we're going to be cooking some wild boar. It's actually rack of wild boar, and we're going to be preparing a stuffed burger, a very unique stuffed burger with foie gras. We'll be getting to that shortly. And now I'm going to hand it over to Executive Sous Chef David, who will show you how to clean the rack and prepare it for grilling.
Okay, so when you buy this piece in the grocery store or any wholesale butchery, that's what it looks like. We're gonna start by making a mark here to uncover the ribs. Make sure the bone, your knife touches the bone. Ideally try to use a strong skinny knife. This type of knife is called boning knife. It's a special knife to clean bones. So pretty much we're just scraping the middle of the bone. Okay, after this part, we're gonna cut it into chops and then present our chop for cooking. How we French it. It's just scraping the meat off the bone.
Okay, so now we're going to mix together the ingredients for the stuffed burger. So right over here we have a little bit of ground chuck. Over here we have house-made ground prime rib, some eggs, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, all to be mixed together. So what I'm going to do right now is mix the two meats together. Okay. Then we're gonna add, so what I like to do in mine is add a little bit of Parmigiano Padano, gives it a nice taste. Pinch of black pepper. Pinch of salt. One egg. And after the egg, we're gonna add some breadcrumb. And don't worry, all the ingredients and amounts will follow in the video. Gonna mix this up really, really well so everything gets mixed together. And we're gonna start preparing the meat for it to be stuffed with the foie gras. As you see the meat, you wanna get a nice consistency to it. You don't want it to be too loose, and you don't want to be too watery. So in this case, I'm gonna have to add a little bit more breadcrumb. The breadcrumb helps bind it, and it also helps keep the moisture when you cook it. It gives you a really nice texture. Okay, so once we get here, we're gonna get ready to stuff the meat. Okay, so there's the foie gras, goose liver. I'm gonna take a little bit off the end. We're gonna use it for stuffing. Now, I've taken a nice can of beer, which has been disinfected for those who are wondering. And we're gonna use that to help us get the shape we need to stuff it. You just press a little bit there. Gives you a little nice hollow center. All right. And you fold it in ever so neatly, still maintaining the shape. And now you can be sure that this burger will be melting with foie gras in the center. Now I'm going to send it over to David, and David's going to show you how to grill the rest of this.
So now to cook our wild boar, we're gonna season it lightly with salt, pepper. Both sides. Now we're gonna brush it with our house-made barbecue sauce. Just follow the link for ingredients. It's very easy to put together. That easy. Alright, so for grilling these guys, we're gonna make sure our barbecue is nice and hot. I would like to use a bit of the grease left over from that trimming to grease the barbecue. Won't eat that part. When I hear a nice sizzle. So you'll know it's the right time to flip the meat when it will just gently release from the grill. You see. Shouldn't put too much pressure on it. We're just gonna move it the other way so we get those nice grill marks, crisscross. With our burgers. Okay, so once we flip it, we repeat the same process again, and we want to make sure it's got an internal temperature of 145 Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer, please. So as you see, we started on our barbecue on a really high heat and then reached the temperature desired inside by moving the meat on the colder side until it reaches the right temperature, 145, 43 Fahrenheit.
Okay, so we've got some pretzel buns over here that we've grilled on the grill. Just gonna put some condiments. We have some mayonnaise. Nothing like good mayo on a burger. Some tomato. Now you can put your toppings on the top or the bottom. That's a preference. Some fresh lettuce. I always like to put a little bit of salt. And what we're gonna do is, look at that. That's a beautiful burger. What I'm gonna do is just to demonstrate oh, and look at all the juices just coming out of that. And if you look carefully, there's the foie gras, beautifully centered. Now this is gonna be a tasty burger. Well, here's our final dishes, I should say. Hope you enjoyed. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. All right.
Right there. Yes.
Happy Father's Day.